So over here you can see that I have a picture, and now let's see how we can work around with balance adjustment for this picture right here. So if I were to go around onto balance, then here what it means that you can balance out the temperature between warm and cool. So if I were to go around over here onto the beginning and click, you can see that the picture becomes blue, denoting that it is cooled. And if I were to go around over here onto the bright area, then it gives a warmer feeling. You can go around and choose the range of the cool or cool or warm right here, or you can use the slider right here just like this as well in order to make it more bluish to make it look more cool, or you can go around and make it look much more warmer by going around onto the warmer side right here just like this. So let me just go around and make this scene a bit more warm right here. So once this is done, you can also go around and work around with tint, which lets you move around the green spectrum or the magenta spectrum right here. So you can go around and increase out the magenta spectrum over here, or you can make it a bit more greenish, as you can see right here, depending on what you like. So let me just go around and push this more onto the magenta side right here. So this is what you have, as you can see, and that is how you can utilize the balance adjustment option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.